Coffee cake with apple and raisin, your new favorite recipe. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to share with you a delicious and easy to make recipe for an apple raisin coffee cake that's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even as a dessert. It's moist, flavorful, and filled with warm spices, juicy apples, and plump raisins that are sure to please everyone's taste buds. So, let's get started. Ingredients. For the cake batter, you will need 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 2 large eggs, at room temperature, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, melted and cooled, 1/2 cup buttermilk, at room temperature, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 cups diced apples, 1/2 cup raisins. For the streusel topping, you will need 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup light brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, at room temperature. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9-inch, 23 centimeters square baking dish with non-stick cooking spray. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, ginger, and nutmeg. In another mixing bowl, whisk together the eggs, melted butter, buttermilk, and vanilla extract until well combined. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Fold in the diced apples and raisins. Pour the batter into the prepared baking dish and spread it evenly. To make the streusel topping, combine the flour, granulated sugar, brown sugar, cinnamon, and salt in a small mixing bowl. Add the butter and use a fork to mix until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Sprinkle the streusel topping over the cake batter. Bake the cake for 40 to 45 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool in the baking dish for 10 minutes before slicing and serving. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed this recipe for an apple raisin coffee cake. It's the perfect treat to enjoy with a cup of coffee or tea in the morning or as a dessert after dinner. If you give this recipe a try, let us know in the comments below how it turned out for you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes like this one. Thanks for watching. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.